Right guys, literally we've just come from Designer Pop-Up Outlet and I'm here with my man Mavericx.
What's going on everyone, you alright?
And we've got the mystery box right here in front of us. Now, we haven't got a clue, we do not know what is inside this box. We've literally got all this stuff and we're going to do a super cool review for you guys, okay? So, shall we just get into it?
I see à la recherche du cas, je ne veux qu'elle.
Right, so bro, what is it for you? Hit or miss on this, on the Laurent?
This is a miss.
It's a miss for you? Do you know what? I totally agree with you on the price. 725 is a lot. Bearing in mind it is 450, which is still a lot of money from Designer Pop-Up.
See, it suits you, man. I think it looks really nice on you, but are you willing to pay?
I personally wouldn't be willing to pay 700 or 450 for this. I mean, I've got a camera bag and it cost me like 70 quid and I'm super happy with that. It's probably going to be, I would say it's probably going to be a miss for me, but I do really like it. I just don't think I'll spend 450 on that. What have we got next?
CP jacket.
CP, now this is part of the SS19 collection from CP Company and it's also waterproof as well. It's called the CP Company T-Mac jacket. This one was retailing for, was it 525? It's now gone down to 595 and it's now gone down to £450 at Designer Pop-Up Outlet. Bro, I really like this one, man, but you were saying you're not really too much into colours.
No, I'm not.
No?
I'm more of a simple colour like a red.
Yeah. Nah,
this for me is too much, yeah.
It's too much?
And I definitely think the lens, this bothers me.
I really like it on you, man. I love it with the white top, the white trainers, the jeans. I think it looks really dope. One thing that we mentioned, it's got tons of pockets on it because obviously it's a military-inspired jacket. So you've got the zips there, got a pocket there, pocket there,
yeah, there.
Pocket here, got a pocket there. I don't even know where that's a bit weird, isn't it?
Big umbrella or something.
Right, just in case.
Yeah.
And your flashlight, and a little pocket underneath the arm there.
There's so many pockets.
And it's inside the jacket as well. I think it's got a little flat pocket. Surprisingly, not a hidden pocket anywhere else.
Yeah.
Got one in there as well. Tons of pockets. Mate, you should never have anything lost in that jacket, man.
He's gonna absolutely love this.
I'm gonna love this. This is I love this. I think it's so dope. The thing is, I love the different material here and the way the zip goes up. Yeah, for me, this is definitely gonna be a hit for me, man. What about for you?
This is a miss for me. I feel like this is more of a sort of for an older person than it is younger guy, and for me being a younger guy.
Yeah, being like the flashy guy that you are, you know, having a night in the town and stuff like that.
Just,
nah. 275 down to 189 from Designer Pop-Up. Not too bad. What's this one, bro?
CP again. Now you really like.
I really like this. You wasn't too sure about the zip.
I'm unsure on the zip. That's the only thing. I think really overall the piece is really, really nice.
What do you think about the colour?
Yeah, really like the colour. Yeah,
I really like the colour. I love the fact that it's got the polyamide material, like the arm guards there on the shoulders and on the back, and it's just got normal cotton material going through.
Yeah, that's different. That's something different, but it's a good difference.
What's this retailing for? This is 245, and this has gone down to 170. I think this is SS19, you know.
I think you're right.
I think it's part of the new collection. I really like it. For you, what would this be for you, bro? Would that be a hit or a miss?
That'd be a hit.
That would be a hit?
Yeah, it would be a hit.
I'm glad that's a hit for you, man. I think it would suit you as well. Right, next. So I know you're a big fan of Kenzo, man. Look, you gotta tell me about this because I don't own any Kenzo pieces.
Yeah, so I really like Kenzo, French brand. So it's massive coming over here, massively popular over here at the minute. Especially the crew neck sleeves with the tiger heads.
Tigers in the front.
Everyone buys Kenzo for the tiger head. That's pretty much it. You don't see a lot of people. They've got another one with it's like an eye. And
oh yeah, I've seen that one.
That's Kenzo as well, but not many people buy that.
They prefer. So you're saying this is the staple piece for people, yeah?
This is it, yeah. And also you can get this in different colours.
Right.
So it's stitching colours. You can get it all black.
Wicked.
You can get red.
Wicked.
And I think a lot of people like that. Not the same necessarily as everyone else.
So
you might bump into someone that has this style, but they might
different colour. So there's different ranges. How much is this retailing for?
It was 195 and Designer Pop-Up Outlet are selling it for 150.
For 150. I feel like it's a good alternative. Like people
it is definitely a good alternative. Definitely looking in Stone Island, you think too much. Kenzo, for me, it's the next best thing.
You think so? That's gonna be a hit for you.
That's a hit. 100%.
I think that would be a miss for me, man. Still looks cool.
Yeah. I mean, I really like it.
Now this I like.
Yeah.
I really like that. This is the SS19 Ghost piece.
It is, yeah. When you look at it, you think it's going to be really heavy, like proper heavy material.
But it's not, is it?
It's really lightweight. For the summer as well, you can definitely rock this in the summer.
Yeah.
I know it looks like a piece you think,
Not too sure. I really like it. Got the ghost badge as well on there, so you can see ghosty badge, which is cool. Got the ghost label on there as well. I think I would like to see this in different colours, because obviously it being an SS19 piece, I feel like in the heat, you know, they say black kind of attracts the heat and makes you more warm. Hopefully they will be releasing some. This is 205 and it's gone down to 185 over at Designer Pop-Up Outlet. But I really like this. For me, this would definitely be a hit.
That's a hit for me as well. 100%, 100%, yeah.
Hit. Right. But you've got personal beef with this one, haven't you? You have
this is probably the one that
beef with this top.
This is the one that I really don't like. Out of the whole collection we got, this is probably the worst one.
He is not feeling this at all. Bro, please explain. What is it you don't like about this?
I don't mind that. It's simple.
I don't mind that.
It's nice. Stone Island on the centre. When it comes to the back, this reflective. Now I'm all for reflective.
I mean, I don't love it, but I like reflective.
I'm all for the reflective.
Right.
I just think it looks a bit tacky.
What
if you're walking down the street, maybe if they just put Stone Island in reflective, that's cool. But they've tried to like.
So you think this is right? I get it. You think sometimes they say less is more.
Yeah.
And you feel like they've overdone it.
Overdone it on the back. Just Stone Island. In the reflective material.
Just keep it simple.
Simple.
Just keep it
I don't
simple.
know why they've tried to do like
all this kind of extra design.
It says stone there, and then here is backwards. I just there's too much.
There's too much going on.
Yeah.
This is really angered you, Mavericx, doesn't it? Really angered you.
Yeah, I really don't like this piece.
He's not feeling this one, man. He's not feeling it. But at the same time, there probably will be a lot of people that will be feeling this. And looking for like t-shirts. You know, for the summertime. How much was this one again?
I think it was 95 from
105. 105 down to 95. We weren't too sure about this kind of design at the front. We didn't really get it.
What I said to Hawks was, it reminds me of what they've just released, the squids.
The squids.
The squids.
That kind of heat
reflective jacket that they've just released. This is the exact same pattern and style they've used.
They got Stone Island here on the back, as you can see right there, but I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. How much was this one retailing for?
I think again this was 95.
95.
I think same as the other t-shirt.
So 105 down to 95. Okay. I really like
combat.
Okay, this is me all over. Nice, cool combats from CP Company. This is SS19, I believe. I really like the material. You're not too sure on this one, are you?
I'm 50-50 on this one, only because the materials, it's really hard to describe. It's like a wax sort of material.
I love it.
But it's like really lightweight, really lightweight. I do like it, do you know what I mean? It's not something I would pick up and go, oh yeah, I'm going to rock this every day.
Yeah.
But
I think this, nice white tee, I think like with what you're wearing like that, I think that would look good, you know?
Yeah.
I love the lightweightness of it as well.
It's not heavy, And I like the pockets on it.
And I love the wash, like how it's kind of it's a little bit blotchy in some places. So it's just the way that they've dyed it. I forgot, I think they call it the recolor or something like that. But that's pretty nice. And I like the stitching, the way they've put the stitching on the bottoms there.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty different as well. What about the next one, bro? What about the Philip Plain?
Again.
We weren't too sure about this one, were we?
For me,
I don't know, man. I don't know, but I think you could get away with it, you know?
For me, it's just so childish. You know what I mean? If you're paying 300, I think this is retailing at 300 quid.
More than that. It was £725 retail, 725, and it's gone down to 299. Funny enough, I know a lot of people that seem to really like Philip Plain. It's not personally for me, but
first time I've ever heard of it. Never heard of this brand before, ever, until today.
The finishing, actually, the actual finishing, like forget the logo, forget the look, forget that it's a teddy bear with a big gold chain around his neck and a handgun in his hand, and it's good quality.
Yeah, don't get me
cashmere,
wrong, the quality's top notch.
Nice finish to it, but yeah, the look of it, I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you rock the Gangster Teddy t-shirt? Ooh, 725 originally. Imagine spending £700 on that.
On a teddy bear jumper.
Ooh.
Street cred.
Yeah.
Again,
bro, this
Kenzo
is you, Kenzo.
Really, really nice. Definitely up there with. I'd say these are competing with the Stone Island tees.
Yeah.
If not, I'd say they're probably more popular than the Stone Island.
You reckon?
100%, yeah. I see so many people all year round
just
rocking Kenzo. Kenzo, yeah, you can't miss it, you know, straight away with the big logo.
I'm not too sure on that one. For me,
this is a hit for me.
Big logos like that, I'm not too sure. That would probably be a pass for me, to be honest with you.
So it was 90 and it's now 69 from design pop-up.
Down to 69 from 90, not too bad. You like this one?
I really like it.
You got really excited about this one.
I really like it.
The colour is beautiful, I think the design is nice, but I think having it on both sides, I'm not too sure. But for me, your one, the classic, in this colour as well.
Yeah. Shorts.
Really nice, man. Feeling that with the shorts. Right, what's the last one? Oh. Yeah, this. Not quite sure why they put this in there. They put this Prada in there. But in saying that, they do a lot of women's items in there. They do tons of really cool leather bags for women. Shoes we saw in there.
Montclair, we saw
Montclair
jackets,
Canada Goose for women. I don't know, if your missus is looking for somewhere to shop, then obviously you can always check out Designer Pop-Up on their website. They've got tons of stuff like this, man. What do you think? You think it suits me, bro?
100%, that's the thing. I think
I don't know, it's a bit worrying, isn't it? I feel like it actually does suit me, man. What's going on?
It's got one more.
What have we got?
Piece.
Oh, the Gucci belt.
Now
This horrified you, man.
Horrified.
You were horrified.
I was generally shocked at how much this cost. It was
so for about £275 originally.
275 for a belt.
For Gucci belt. Gucci. Now, I'll be honest with you, I think the design of the belt is really cool.
Yeah, 100%.
But you have a problem with the price.
I don't dispute the belt.
You like the item. You think the item?
Yeah.
It's Gucci.
I get that.
Not
£200.
Not that I'm not personally a huge fan of Gucci myself, but it's a high luxury brand.
I get it, but I feel like that's got more investment. If you're buying that, there's more investment in it. If you've got a Gucci top, there's more investment. It's not so. I feel like a Gucci belt, not many people are gonna see it.
People will see it. Look.
I feel like it's just a belt and it hasn't got that much value. Do you know what? If you come to reselling it, there's a limited market. Am I going to be searching for a Gucci belt? No way.
I don't know. You know, lots of people looking for designer belts, and you make a good point. But I think if you could prove the authenticity, like have your receipt, I think you can get good money back for that. You know.
You probably could, and especially for 200 quid, you'd hope to get back.
You'd hope to get it back.
Hope to get back.
What do you guys think of the Gucci? This is brand new from Designer Pop-Up, and it's 275 down to 199. So that's it, man. That's all the items on the rail. Listen, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. First time I've had my man Mavericx with me, so I'm super gassed to have him come down. He's going to be doing much more videos, so make sure you stay tuned. Guys, we're out of here. Lots more videos coming. Peace out.